Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. So let's get started. So firstly, all you have to do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. So after the restarting, all you have to do is go to the settings icon available on your home screen. Now inside the settings, you will get to see the Wi-Fi option available there. Tap on it. Inside Wi-Fi, go to the Wi-Fi you are connected with and which is not connecting on your iPhone. So simply tap on the forgot password and reconnect your Wi-Fi network again. And ensure that you are within range of your Wi-Fi network and that the signal strength is strong enough for a stable connection. So after this, all you have to go is scroll down and tap on the general. Inside general, tap on the software update and make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS, or else you can simply check and install any available updates. After this, go back to the general again, scroll down, tap on the transfer or reset iPhone and tap on reset and tap on reset network settings. So this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi passwords. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the problem of Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.